Okay, so what we're going to do right now is going to finish off our workout with some TRX. And Lionel, this is your challenge. Find yourself some activities to do prior to your TRX. I'll put my time, my activities prior to this, but you have a 5-minute sprint on TRX. I hope to do 5 minutes. And I'm gonna knock out reps of 7. Chest variation. Tricep extensions. Two eight, bro. I don't know if I made it to 5 minutes or not. Yeah, I don't know. I'm done. So, Army Dog, that's your challenge. 45 minutes workout. You got some hills, mountains, do it. Halfway point, challenge yourself with your kettlebells or whatever you take up. I took all my equipment in my bag, which is about 32, 35 pounds. So if you take kettlebells or whatever it is, pack it, flat land or hill, then finish off 5-minute sprint. Okay? Your challenge, over 50 club.